relationship? Do you do something, you don't need to share exactly what you do, but probably, you know, something not very specific to keep your romance going?
You know, I just think the fact that you complete the other person is most important. I feel in a relationship what matters is the fact that you complete each other, and we do maintain that. We are private, we enjoy our times together, we like Ritesh said, respect each other, which is most important. And romance and all are big words. I think just the fact that you enjoy each other and you love each other and you can spend 24 hours of a day with each other is most important.
Every time you need to find something that is out of the ordinary, which if you're in a life that you're spending together, and if every day becomes a routine, it's important to break that routine. And once you break that routine, that will add freshness to it. And I think that is what will keep you going, you know, and that routine should be a surprise. I think as relationship, I don't know how people look at our relationship. Firstly, we've not paid attention to how people perceive us. Most importantly, in a relationship, it should just be the two of us. First, respect. It's important to respect the other person, and that's what will get you unconditional love, because there is no love without respect. I think love and respect are the two things that will lay a good foundation for a great relationship.